everyone, Tragic here, and in today's video I'm just going to be playing with some slime. I don't know why, I just decided to. Thought it'd be fun. So right here I have a brown butter slime. Very nice. There's the glitter in it. I don't know if you can see that. They are meant to look like cinnamon. They smell like cinnamon. Kind of like a cinnamon roll. Ooh, that was nice. So yeah, there's that. Then I have this foam. Oh, this one is so pretty. Like, just watch how clear it is. It's pretty crazy. I knew I would have to activate it, but I wanted to play with it a little bit before. But it melted so much since I made it. Okay. Oop, a little piece flew. Ooh, it's almost overactivated. Shoot. I could have sworn it would not need that much, or maybe even more. I didn't know how fast it would activate. Oh, but let's enjoy it. Sorry you can't see it. Oh my gosh. Okay. I'm using my school book. Don't judge me. Also, look at my nails. They're so pretty. Yeah, it's too boraxy right now. But it's okay. Anyways, I love how dark blue it is. I love that so very much. Now I have the slime, which is just a purple Elmer's glue glitter slime. Little problem. But yeah, this is just from the glitter glue. The purple Elmer's glitter glue slime. So basically I just made it. I didn't add anything else in it. That's just weird because it's been on my finger for a while. Okay, there you go. One thing that sucks about when it melts is usually it's really clear. That's really nice, but you have to like add activator in it. So then it's not completely clear forever. Again, I'm so sorry you can't see that. This is kind of just random video. I know it's bad quality, I'm sorry. But I was gonna do like a Q&A, but I don't really have any questions, so I didn't want to like wait for people to answer or give me some questions. So it's like a test run if you guys want me to make more videos like this where I'm just playing with slime or something, but I answer questions. Not lives, because those get, like, I can't do anything, because if I want to answer questions, I have to see what you guys are saying. And it's hard to get anything done, because I have to always try to read and catch up with you guys' comments. Look how pretty. See, it's not as clear anymore, but it's still fine. So these are like all my favorite slimes right now. I still have like, I have so many. I have to do a slime collection. I'm just gonna wait till I get containers for all of them, because right now some are in baggies and I don't want to show those in baggies. This one smells like orange creamsicle. Just get a little bit of that, I feel like. Even though it wasn't sticky, yeah, now it definitely needs it, so good thing I added it in. This has no glitter in it at all, it's just this really nice orange color. It's really weird texture too, it's kind of really jiggly. Kind of like, what's that called? Kind of feels runny, but I really like that feeling. Very different. It's not because it melted, because it didn't melt. This is how it was when I made it. Ooh, hear that. I don't have enough space or slime to make a really big bubble, so I'm sorry for that. Oop. Okay, sorry, I've been filming this same slime for a while. It feels so nice. Okay, then I have the slime, which is white glue slime, my Harley Quinn slime, which was red and black, white glue slime, and then my clear glue glitter purple and green Joker slime mixed. And I really like the texture. Because I never made a slime with white glue and clear glue mixed. This one is really thick and pretty. I really like it. And it's kind of like a purpley, yeah, it's definitely like a purpley, yeah, I see it now. Sorry, definitely a really dark purpley black color. I don't really like, I love the texture, but I don't like the glitter because it's just random like red and green. You don't really see the purple or the black, so it's just kind of like random. But yeah, it's kind of like buttery. Oh, I almost did that. Did you guys see that? I thought that was really cool. I haven't played with slime like this forever. I usually just make videos on them or just make them on my own time. But I like making slime and playing with it like right after. I don't really ever play with the slime. I just like love making it. Oh, almost. It's gonna be such a long video. You guys are probably not gonna even watch this. I don't know what I'm gonna title it, but I'm gonna use like a really pretty like thumbnail of one of the slimes. I'll probably just say like, I'll probably just title it Slime ASMR, or my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'll say like my top 5 favorite slimes, or something, and then with ASMR. I have this one. I wasn't going to show this one. It's not my favorite, but I brought it up here because I had to put more googly eyes in it. But it's this googly eyes crunchy slime. The reason I have so many googly eyes is I use it for a costume. Then I decided to make it into slime. It would be so much better if it was either less slime and more like eyes. Either less slime but like the same amount of eyes, or more eyes in this one. There's a hair and my fake nail in it, because I don't know if you see that in a video, but one of the videos you see like my fake nail coming off into the slime. And I found it. Could have sworn I got it out though. But yeah, I haven't worn these black fake nails for like probably a month now, because I'm on to these ones. This one definitely needs a little bit of activator. So this is clear glue, and the pigment is very light pink. I use lipstick for that. And it works really well in large quantities, so I just put a little bit because I already had a slime the same color. But I also wanted it to be like more clear and not as pigmented for the googly eyes. But I still really need more googly eyes. I want some of the smaller ones. The bigger eyes usually fall out, or they're just kind of awkward when you squeeze it or crunch it. But I didn't want to waste the big ones. See these big ones. So, yeah. Okay, that was just a lot of me trying to do cool thumbnails. I'm sorry. And it always goes into a serious mood when I do pictures of myself. So, yeah. Anyway, that was a crunchy slime. That one isn't really contested. That's why I'm just going to say 5. But, yeah. But I really love, this butter slime. I was playing for like, I'm not even joking, like a good 35 minutes, like straight, just doing this. It's so nice and stretchy. And it doesn't break, and it pops, and it's so smooth and clean, and it smells really good, and like I said, clean. I don't know where the top was, because I had a top for this container, and I can't seem to find it, so this is gonna dry out. Good. But I also loved this orange one. This one is more like actual slime. It's really cool to see it just kind of like flows. Like I said, it's like watery. It is sticky, but like doesn't stick for too long. And it's really jiggly too. I love it. Jiggly and shiny. Matches my Halloween socks. Okay, sorry. I was meaning to do a wrap up, but I'm just doing like more ASMR, but I don't mean to. And this one is also really pretty too. If it was better, like, if it was a little bit less activated, it would be nice. But definitely, out of all of them, this one. Woo! Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this like weird Q&A, mostly me answering questions I thought of, not really question and answers, / slime SMR / like story of my life video. If you like this video and you want some more like this, maybe just like Q&As, leave down like and leave a question suggestion so I can do an actual Q&A. I'll have them written down on a piece of paper. Yeah. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this. I already said that. Blah, 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 blah. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys so much for 15,500-ish. 15,500-ish subscribers. Thank you guys so much. I cannot believe it. I literally could not pay for this shirt, these nails, or the ingredients for the slime without you guys, because literally what I make on these videos pays for like everything you see in the video. So if you want more videos, have more people like my video and watch it, which means I get more money, which means you can get more things you guys want on my channel. So I rambled. Okay, see you guys in the next video. Bye.